So we're gonna unbox the 3-pack LED video light stands. These are from Obeamiu, and they come in 70 LEDs per light stand, which you can use for shooting videos. Um, and let's see what's included in this box. So this is what it comes with when you get the package. All right, we got a booklet, pretty much a manual for how to set it up. These are USB connected lights. That's what they how to get their power. Okay, what's in here? It looks like we have a tripod stand, which is going to be used for the lights. I will open these up later on just to see what's in this box. And here we have, okay, attachments, adjusters, adapters. These are LED films, coloring films. And here's the light itself. It does come with a remote, and it looks like it comes with a cable. And I believe these are the same exact thing. So 3 boxes for 3 light stands. So same exact thing for each, I believe. Yes. And another LED light. And this is number 3. And it looks like you have 2 more stands right here. And that is what's included in this box. And here's everything that's included in this 3-pack LED light stand. So you have the stands, the 3 lights, 3 remotes, the cables for each remote, and you have the 3 LED color packs or films, and you have adapters and connectors. So this is what's included.